Hello friends, and not yet friends, welcome back to Mary's Test Kitchen, where we're making something super simple, looks kind of fancy, and is so delicious. Vegan shakshuka for one in about 5 minutes. You'll need a tomato sauce. Today, mine is crushed tomatoes with nothing else in it. Also, silken tofu as a stand-in for the poached eggs. You can use any silken or soft tofu. Just keep in mind the fresh kind is better tasting than the Tetra Pak kind in this dish. By the way, if you want to try making your own silken tofu, check out my video on how to make silken tofu from scratch. It's pretty fun, even though it's extra work. You'll also want garlic, olive oil, and cumin for this Middle Eastern dish, and perhaps paprika, which I've actually run out of, so I'm using Korean red pepper flakes, aka gochugaru, which I am sure someone else is going to tell me I'm pronouncing wrong. Lay off, man, I'm doing my best. Also some ground coriander seed for bright lemony herbaceousness, and dried chives, or fresh if you have it handy. Now let's start by ladling some of that tomato into a microwave-safe bowl, about a half cup-ish. I'm not really about the measurements when I want to make something quick and easy just for myself. We can adjust later if we need or want to. Add about an 1/8 teaspoon of ground coriander, about an 1/8 teaspoon of ground cumin, some salt if your sauce isn't already salted, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes or paprika. And finally, 1 minced clove of garlic. Of course, adjust your seasonings if you're not using just plain crushed tomatoes like me. Add a little olive oil and mix. If you want to keep this oil free, you do you. It'll still work. Then add your tofu. I just made inch-thick slices and pressed them into the sauce. And that is ready for the microwave. Get it going with a 1-touch start, which gives you a minute, and then you can just wait and watch. Take out the bowl and give the sauce a gentle stir. Microwaves generally heat the outside faster, so push the sauce at the edges in or the middle sauce outwards. Then continue heating with 30-second intervals. I only needed the 1 round as I started with room temperature tomato sauce. You'll need a little longer if you started with cold. Top with some chives. And to make this prettier, spoon up the tofu to reveal that contrast. Add some tasty toasted seasoned sunflower seeds or other crunchy seeds or nuts, some more red pepper flakes, and maybe add a little olive oil. Highly recommended for the flavor. And there you have it. Beautiful vegan shakshuka for one. The combination of crunchy sunflower seeds and the smooth silken tofu with tangy spiced tomato sauce is just so wonderful. And it took less than 5 minutes to put together. Do you know anyone whose level of cooking skills or just lack of time could really use this recipe? Please send this over to them. You may just change their morning. Thanks so much for watching to the end, my friend. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more super easy vegan recipes. Other than that, keep staying strong, everyone. We're in this together, even if we're apart. Bye for now.